Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week in the Corona Chronicles, we're going to talk about relieving stress by going from giggles to wiggles. That's right, giggles to wiggles. It was just a catchy name. Really, we're going to talk about letting go of stress. One way to let go of stress is to do it from the inside out. So if there's no stress in your soul, there's not going to be a lot of stress in your muscles. So you can actually let go of tension in your muscles through laughter and through genuine smiles. Now, I know that we all have our own stress levels, and sometimes it may be hard to actually experience genuine laughter or smiling to let go of stress. But if you can, do something that's fun, do something that brings you joy, and watch comedians at night on Netflix. That always helps. Or watch how to express your dominance throughout your neighborhood. I've heard that's a funny video. But if you can't do that, another way to let go of stress is to actually let go of tension in your muscles. So I'm going to show you how to wiggle your muscles. Now this is legit science, guys. If your muscles aren't holding tension or stress, it's really hard to get angry or to be stressed out. That's legit science. Anyway, so what you want to do is search your body for tension. Now, one way to do this is to do deep belly breathing, and as you exhale, to search your body and try to get inside your body, that mind-muscle connection, and let go of tension. So let's just start there. So practice breathing deep into your belly, and as you exhale, search from your head to your toes any tension in your body and see if you can just let it go. That's the first step. The next step is to actually get the muscles loose on the bone, like grandma's arm. You know, when grandma waves and 3 seconds later after she stops waving, her arms are still waving. Anyway, so you want to make the muscles loose on the bone. And you can do that in the arms, you can do that in the legs. So you just try to let them relax and just shake them loose on the bone. A couple of ways to do it. So this is the wiggling part, guys. So a couple of ways to do that is to vibrate. So if you're you ever have kids and they get in front of the fan, or they just they bounce and they play with their voices. They're laughing and giggling when they do that. So if you don't have funny Netflix shows, you can actually wiggle, and it may make you laugh. Or you can watch me do this, and that may make you laugh. But you vibrate. So you shake really fast, and that shakes tension out of your muscles, and it feels good. Another thing you can do is if you can, search your body for tension and let it go, you start to bounce. And if you'll notice, my shoulders are loosey-goosey on the bone. My arms are loosey-goosey on the bone. You can hear my voice. Everything's relaxed. No joke, guys. Learning how to wiggle, shaking tension out of your body, will make you feel good. Bouncing makes you feel good. And you can add hops and just get your body really loose. And it energizes you. It feels good, takes stress away. So you can shake your arms. You can practice shaking a leg at a time. You can vibrate. I'm going to show you one. This one's free. This one's free. It shakes everything. That's the washer machine. Guys, do it slow at first. Never mind. But that's our tip this week, guys. How to go from giggles to wiggles to let go of stress. So if you can, genuine laughter, genuine smiles helps take stress out of your body. If not, go the other way. Take stress out of your body to take stress out of your soul. Learn how to shake your muscles loose on the bone. It feels good. If you want to add a 1-2 punch to this, smile when you do it and make ridiculous noises. All right, that's our tip for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.